Welcome to DIY Fest 2024, where creativity meets sustainability. Join us in celebrating the art of do-it-yourself construction and innovation. Where, you ask? It's 100% online, so you can attend from a coffee shop, listen in while driving, or cozy up at home and binge. And who's going to be there? Our conference features an incredible lineup of speakers, vendors, DIYers, dwellers, and experts, each sharing their insights and experiences in a variety of sessions. To join, become a pro member of the Tiny House University. Not only does the All Access Pro membership grant you access to the event, but it also includes over $1,200 in resources like access to educational courses, live online events, ebooks, workshops, deals, and discounts, and a supportive community to guide you along your own journey. Join us on March 14th and 15th, and let's build a brighter future together. See you at DIY Fest 2024.